Hello everyone, I am CryptoRenzi and this is your channel for Apex Bitcoin and crypto news. And in this video today, we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Odin. This is by Cryptotag. They were generous enough to send me this for review, but it's not a sponsored video, so you're going to get a full unbiased review of my opinion of this product. So without further ado, let's jump in. So it's important to note before we do an unboxing, this product is only used for the TREZOR Model T wallet, as well as the Keystone Pro wallet, which unfortunately I do not have to show in this video, but those are the two wallets that use Shamir backup seed phrase options. So it's important to note, this backup device product is used for the TREZOR Model T as well as the Keystone Pro. And before I do an unboxing, I just want to show you how amazing Cryptotag is, right? Look at this cookie they sent me. It's the little things, right? They're located in the Netherlands and they went ahead and sent an authentic caramel cookie from their homeland. So much appreciation to you guys. Again, the little things in life that truly matter. All right, so let's get to what you guys want to see. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so as it says, right, this is for the hodlers, and it truly is. And I really want to make a point for you guys to understand how important it is to protect your seed phrase. This is everything that's located in the box. And let's go ahead and open this. This is going to be your punch tool as well as matches to burn your paper conversion after. And this is going to be your conversion sheet. And these two are identical. Okay. So just to show you, conversion sheet, conversion sheet. Okay, and this way you can see the products in here. And as far as paperwork, you get a quick start guide as well as your slip 39 wordless. This is very important, and we're going to discuss this in a minute as to why we use this over the BIP 39. And let me go ahead and show you. So this is the actual device. This is like a silicone case it's in, and inside of it is your titanium hexagonal cube. This is where you're going to etch your seed phrase in. And just look at the detail of this. Isn't this incredible? This is all laser etched. And just to show you, this is the Cryptotag Zeus. You can see similar etching. Amazing quality here, same quality here. Cryptotag really pays fine attention to detail. And I just wanted to show this off on both products. Now the first thing you're going to do is number your share sheets. So this is going to be number 1, this one's going to be number 2, this one's going to be number 3. Okay, first thing I recommend doing. And then after you're done with that, go ahead and move everything aside. Okay, we just want the one piece that we're going to be working with. And also inside of the toolbox, there is an anvil. Okay, and this is very important to use. Whenever you're going to be punching your titanium, you don't want your hexagonal shape to be moving around. So you're going to want to put this in the anvil, and this way it's safe and secure and ready for punching. Next, I want to go ahead and explain to you how you know what these items are. So total shares. Okay, this is going to be the amount of shares phrases you would like to use. You can actually have up to 16. So basically, how many of these devices do you want to have that you're going to place in different areas, whether it be with another person, at a bank, at a friend's home, whatever. That's how that's going to work as far as share total. Now, threshold total is how many of the shares are you going to need to come together to recover your seed phrase. Okay? And then share number is simply going to be the card that we're currently working on. And then your wallet number, this is how many TREZOR wallets you may have connected to your account. So this is a nice little addition to have for those of you that want to keep track of this. When you're dealing with Shamir backup, you're going to use the slip 39 word list. This is comprised of 1,024 words. So as you can see, the first word here is academic. And every single word is paired with a 4-digit code. This is very important because anytime we're going to put a code in, it's always going to be 4 digits. So for example, if our word was again, if you look to the left, you see 0017. So 0017 is the same as the word again. And just to show you, if we go all the way to the back of the book, the last word is 0. And again, that's number 1024. So it's important to note when you're doing Shamir backups, you have to use the slip39 word list. And I have a copy of it here for you, and I'll put it in the description below. But basically, SLIP, in case you're wondering, stands for Satoshi Labs Improvement Proposal. Not anything you need to know, but I just want to add extra value to you in this video. But remember, there's only 1,024 words in this list, and please do not confuse it or mix it up with the BIP39 word list, because the BIP39 is 2,048 words. And again, in case you're wondering, BIP stands for Bitcoin Improvement Proposal. But in this video, you want to make sure you pay attention to and only use the slip39. So it's important to note, depending on how many share phrases you would like to have in your Shamir backup, each share phrase is going to be comprised of 20 words from the slip39 word list. But what I want you to notice in this example is for each share, we have 3 shares showing in this example. The first 3 words are always the same. If you notice, photo, extra, and academic repeat in share 2, as well as repeat in share 3. Remember, you can go up to 16 shares, and if you did all 16 here, the first 3 words would always be the same. And this is simply so that you remember, and it's easy to match which Shamir backup you're working with. Okay, so now, when you open this sheet, same thing again here is going to apply. We're going to want to fill this out. So total shares, so you have to figure out how many total shares you're going to make. So in this example, I'm doing 3 shares, 3 groups of 20 words. The threshold, I went ahead and set at 2. So I'm going to need 2 of the 3 lists to bring back my seed phrase if I ever need to recover it. This is share number 1, as you remember, share number 1, okay? And then wallet number. Again, this is just going to be wallet number 1 because I only have 1 wallet connected to this TREZOR wallet. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my 20 words and transfer them over to my conversion list. And then I'm going to match them up with the numbers. So let's do the first one together. I'll show you how this is done. So my first word is dryer. So we just simply write dryer in here, okay? And then we are going to use our book, and we're going to find the word dryer. Keep everything this way you can see. Okay. And dryer is right here. And as you can see, it's 0248. Okay. So what I'd recommend is go ahead and fill in your numbers here. So again, 0248. And you're simply going to do this for all 20 words. And remember, you get these words off of your TREZOR wallet. So when you're setting up your seed phrase, you would simply select you want to do a Shamir seed phrase setup. And then you're going to simply put in, it's going to ask you how many shares would you like to create, and then what threshold would you like to create. Remember, you can go up to 16 on the shares. Okay. But just to save time, I'm going to go ahead and transfer all these words up here and fast forward ahead. So I went ahead and transferred my shares from the first seed phrase up to my conversion booklet. So as you can see, I have 1 through 20 in here now. And just a tip for you, pay attention to how the numbers flow across. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 comes back to the bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9 up to the top going across, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And just to kind of show you again, so again, all the words I drew from my TREZOR, I went ahead and transferred to the conversion sheet. And again, so you find the first word, dryer, you find it in your book, okay, which is here, dryer, and you can see 0248. Remember, we always need 4 digits for dryer. Again, 0248. I went ahead and did that for all 20 words. And now we're going to go ahead and stamp our code into the titanium Odin. All right, so the first thing I recommend doing is, let's go ahead and let's stamp in the total shares. So we decided to do 3 on this one. So as you can see, total shares, we're going to line it up on the number 3 right here. And also, you are going to want to wear your hearing protection, and unfortunately, it looks like they did not put it in. I actually have inner ear monitors on, but I do highly recommend wearing hearing protection before you punch this. Okay, but back to the stamping. Okay, so again, total shares 3, total shares up here 3. You're going to line it up right on the number 3 here, and then you're going to just go ahead and press down, and it's going to make a pretty loud pop sound. Okay. And now, as you can see, we've punched into the titanium hexagonal cube. All right, so next, threshold, we're doing 2. Okay, so again, place it over to 2, punch it in. Number of shares, we're going to just do 1. Okay. And then again, the wallet number is 1. Okay, next, we're going to go ahead and rotate the hexagonal cube to where you see 1, 2, 3, and 4 facing up. And now we're going to go ahead and start putting our actual words into the numeric code. So again, remember, every single word, no matter how many letters it is, it's only going to comprise down of 4 digits, and we need the 4 digits. So our first word is dryer. So you locate number 1, matching with the first word of number 1, and the first numeral is 0. So the first number is going to be 0. So pay attention to this first block here. You locate number 1, and you can see there's a segmented block here with 1 through 9 and 0 at the bottom. So we know we need 0 for the first one, and we're going to go ahead and punch that in. Okay. So second word is going to be, second number is going to be 2. So again, we move over to the second part of it, and we're going to go ahead and etch this on number 2. Okay. And then 4 is going to be next. Okay, so we'll go ahead and etch that into 4. And then finally, number 8, which is going to be down here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and etch it here. So as you can see, the first one is now complete. We have 0, 2, 4, 8 punched into the titanium. I'm going to go ahead and complete this and fast forward ahead to save you time. All right, so I went ahead and finished stamping my hexagonal cube. So as you can see, it is fully marked on all 6 sides. So that one is complete and done. And you would simply do this with your other kits. So again, this is the Odin 3. The number 3 indicates I have 3 conversion kits. You can get a 5, you can get a 7. Like I said, you can get as many as you'd like, up to 16. And I can't stress enough the quality that Cryptotag makes in its products. These are some of the finest protection seed phrase devices I've personally seen. They're solid titanium. They are going to protect you for a lifetime. Yes, the cold storage wallets are super important. But if you lose your seed phrase, right, this piece of paper, there's a reason they give you matches, because you need to burn this after, because you never need it again once it's stamped into solid titanium. All your hard work, all your dollar cost averaging into crypto, all the research and hard work you've done, your money's never going to be stolen or disappeared or not passed down to your generations. That's what's so vital about these hexagonal cubes. And remember, when you're done, you simply put it in its silicone cover and you divide it amongst whomever or however you would like. Some people put it in different locations, some people give it to different people. And again, that's what the threshold is for. You figure out how many thresholds or how many of these cubes need to come together to restore your seed phrase. Shamir backup protection is one of the most advanced and preferred ways to protect your seed phrase on a TREZOR Model T wallet. And I can't tell you how well I sleep at night knowing my seed phrase is fully protected. Remember, you need to control what you can control. Can you control fully if your home burns down and this paper gets burned up? Can you control if water spills on this and it's fully destroyed and gone? No. But you know what? This titanium hexagonal cube can withstand water, heat, freezing, any kind of elements you throw at it. This is the ultimate form of protection for you, your family, and your loved ones. Be smart, do the right thing, sleep well at night, knowing all your hard-earned money and crypto is protected. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up so more people get this video that really need to see it and need help. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much for staying till the end. For those of you who may be new to TREZOR or need to know how to set up your TREZOR Model T wallet, go ahead and click here.